Hello, and welcome to another update video about VAI. At the moment, I think we have a possible B-wave top in place. I think I explained that in the last video already, or it was a live stream, or it was a signal on Telegram and Discord. I cannot remember it, but this count is still very much valid. And the idea of a three-wave top here that we made seems to be working out at the moment. Again, we're looking at this chart. It's not a bad chart. Yeah, we have a 5-wave move to the upside. I think this could be, and it's so early to say, yeah, but it could be one of the good ones for the next bull run. I'm not sure. It's too early to say, okay? But we have a nice 5-wave move up that I like, and we have a correction down. The problem I have is with that 78.6 fib level here that we might be breaking to the downside, and we probably will. We probably will break it. At this stage, I fully expect the 6 cent level to break. Next support would be around 3.4 cents. But there is still a lot of space before it will invalidate the bullish scenario. Yeah, much more space than on other charts. Okay, so it can basically drop down like a 95%. Yeah, because it would need to go formally below the November low. Okay, so from that point of view, it's not a bad chart. It's just that from a Fibonacci retracement point of view, if we use the linear chart here, you get into trouble. I think on the log chart, the fibs would still allow for a drop all the way down to 1 cent. Okay, so when we're going to observe that. Okay, if the log chart makes more sense here, we're going to use the log chart. It's just something to be aware of. It's just that it reacted very nicely to the 78.6 fib on the linear chart. Now, okay, on the log chart, let's add the 38.2 fib. Might be it reacted to the 38.2 fib on the log chart. Yeah, see? So it's something interesting to observe here right now, okay? If the log chart makes more sense for certain charts, we're going to explore that. But time will tell, right? Time will tell. And we're looking at the WXY structure. In the Y wave, we have an A wave down. We have a B wave up. And if this gives us a C wave, possible targets, First one, 3.5 cents, yeah? That would be on the linear chart, the 88.7 fib level. So that we've got a bit of confluence there. So I would pay attention to that level. At this stage, it looks like B wave topped, and we could come down in the C wave. Which means it could be a lot of work to do before it really ends this overall correction. But it wouldn't necessarily be bearish if it drops below the last swing low. So just want to make you aware about that. It's a bit of, we've come into this correction. At no point, I think, I confirmed to you a low in place or anything. So I give you the relevant levels for a bullish setup. And we need to be watching when price hits these areas. And so far, every reaction it showed was just a correction. Also here, the latest one, that was a very clear ABC. You can always argue, okay, is this a wave 1? Is this a wave 2? Is this another one too? But the few problems with that, because this wave 1 is far longer than the previous one would be. And this is also not really wave 1 material. Yeah, it would be very, very... it would be a very forced count. I mean, in the end, you can construct everything. It's all a question about likelihoods, and always try to give you the most likely charts and the most likely wave counts. I continue to rule out the least likely ones. So yeah, again, another one where structure told us basically that this is most likely going to come down, and if it now comes down further, a break below the 5.7 cent level will confirm that we are in the C wave. All right, that's my update about VAI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.